friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will see Java interview questions and answers. Now before start the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Now let us start our video. So our first question is, what are the OOPS concepts in Java, which is important question, and the answer is data abstraction. Here we are hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to user. Next one is encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping or binding data and code together into a single unit. Third one is inheritancy, which is a process in which one class can acquire or inherit properties of another class. Fourth one is polymorphism, means many forms. That is, we are using different forms of the same method. So we will see it in detail in next questions. So our next question is, what is data abstraction? And the answer is, abstraction is a process of hiding implementation details from user and only functionality will be provided to user. For example, a method that adds two integers. Here, internal processing of method is hidden to outer world. And if you want to take a real-time example, then our mobile application is one of the best example in which we can only use the functionality and the internal implementation details are hidden to us. So our next question is, what is data encapsulation? And the answer is, encapsulation in Java is a technique of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule which is mixed with several medicines. Here are several medicines are nothing but data and code. And if we combine it or wrap it into a single unit, then our single unit, that is capsule. So this is what it means. Now we can create fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of the class private, and the Java bin class is the example of fully encapsulated class. And the next question is, what is inheritancy in Java? So the answer is, inheritancy is a process where one class can acquire properties that are methods and fields of another class, and the class which inherits the properties of other is known as subclass, or we can call it as derived class or child class, and the class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass or base class or parent class. Subclass needs to use extends keyword to inherit superclass. Here is the example where we will take one class which is our superclass. Here comes our superclass name, and after this here is our subclass which has to extends superclass. So we have to take superclass name here, and it is mostly used for reusability purpose. That is, we can reuse the properties that are methods and field of superclass into subclass by extending or inheriting superclass. So after this, our next question is, what are the different types of inheritancy in Java? So basically there are 5 types of inheritancy, that are single inheritancy, multiple inheritancy, multi-level inheritancy, hybrid inheritancy, and hierarchical inheritancy. But Java doesn't support hybrid and multiple inheritancy due to ambiguity or diamond problem, but we can achieve it through interfaces. As in Java we cannot extend multiple classes because we cannot use multiple inheritancy, but we can use interfaces instead of that. So these are the types of inheritancy. Now sixth one is, what is polymorphism? And the answer is, poly means many and morphism means forms. So the meaning of polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritancy. So as we know, inheritancy lets us inherit attributes and methods from another class. Polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. For example, suppose here we have a class named as animal, which is our superclass and which has method sound. And we are having 2 subclasses, that are horse and cat. So it will use different sounds, or we can say forms, for different classes. That is, horse will use its own sound, then cat will use its own sound, but both of them are going to use the method sound from our superclass, that is animal class. So we are using different forms of that sound. So this is what we called as polymorphism. And that's all about today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. And if you have any queries or any suggestions, you can ask me through comment box. And again, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.